Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasarkina. You're watching the weekly financial calendar on Insta TV. In the early half of the week, traders will keep close tabs on the releases of the following macroeconomic statistics. On Monday, Japanese government will unveil its fourth quarter GDP figures. Economists say Japan's economy has grown by 0.9% over the reporting period. In the third quarter, the Japanese economy shrank by 0.5% on a quarterly basis. Annually, Japan's GDP fell by 1.3%. The April-June print showed contraction by 7.3%. Thus, the world's third largest economy got sent into a technical recession, the fifth one in 10 years. Experts say the plunge in the GDP is associated with the sales tax hike introduced by Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Stalled economic growth could delay further increase in the sales tax and jeopardize political future of Abe and his government. The report on Germany's economic sentiment for February, measured by the Institute for Economic Research (ZEW), is due on Tuesday. Market consensus suggests an increase to 55 points. The ZEW indicator of economic sentiment rose to 48.4 from 34.9 in December, topping analysts' forecasts for a rise to 40.1. And that was the third increase in a row and the highest reading since last February. Instability on capital markets had little effect on expectations for the German economy. On the contrary, a decline in crude oil prices along with the weakening euro contributed to improvement in sentiment. Yet another closely watched event is the release of building permits data in the US, slated for Wednesday. January's figure is projected to have grown to 1,060,000 units. Housing units authorized by building permits in December were at a rate of 1,032,000, and that was down by 1.9% from the previous month and below a 0.8% increase predicted by economists. However, experts believe that improvement in the labor market, low loan interest rates and an increase in consumer confidence are able to support the housing demand. What's more, rising wages and loosening standards for borrowers may have an additional positive impact on the housing market recovery. In addition to these events, the following market events will be out. Thus, retail sales report will be released in New Zealand. In Australia, minutes of the monetary policy meeting of the Reserve Bank Board will be unveiled on Tuesday, and the United Kingdom will release its inflation report, and in Switzerland, the SNB chairman will speak. On Wednesday, the Japanese regulator will announce its overnight call rate decision. Also, several reports from the UK labour market will be published, and the Bank of England's MPC meeting minutes will be released. The US will provide its producer price index data and the Fed's minutes as well. And this concludes the financial calendar prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.